Alright, the thing I'm gonna install is the home rear roll center bracket. So we're gonna install that, and also we're gonna install the PCI trailing arm spherical bushing. First step, we're gonna remove the disc, the caliper, and after that I'm gonna remove the whole trailing arm. So I removed the trailing arm, then I cut the nut that was soldered right there. So I took the grinder and notched it, and I have to notch a little bit here and there, then I will be able to put the bracket on. So as you can see here, the hole doesn't align great because of this thing here, so we gotta notch it a little bit with the grinder right under. Same thing on the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I just grinded tiny bit both sides. Now the bracket goes where it should be. Now I'm gonna put the bolt right there, right there. I'm gonna have to make a hole here. Gotta align the bracket with the disc straight. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so just make the hole. Now the bracket goes like this. And I'm gonna have to put my bolt there, there, and there. Before you put this bolt, make sure you take your rear caliper bolt. This one, yes. So make sure you take your rear caliper bolt and put it there, because you won't be able to put it once this bolt gonna be in. I made the mistake the other side, so now I won't. There we go. It's all tied up to spec. Now let's do the trailing arm bushing. Alright, for the next step, I just took the bushing and hammered it out from the, you just take a mass and big hammer and hit it that way, so it goes out that way. First, usually the sleeve goes first, then the bushing, and usually you just have the sleeve left and you just hit it, then it goes out. So now I'm gonna install the PCI bearing bushing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So here you go. This is the PCI trailing arm spherical bushing. So it fits right there. There it is. You make sure this point up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
The expert eyes in chat might realize that I was talking shit, since this is the left side trailing arm and this side is facing the front of the car and this side is the rotor side. Then you had to flip it over, and well, yeah, this is facing down, so it's backwards. So do as I say, don't do as I do. Now all you have to do is mark your hole, purse it, and tight it. After you take the sleeve, and it goes straight through, and you have a bearing instead of a bushing. I got my two holes. One and two. Now all you have to do is put a washer and a nut behind. After you put the sleeve, you tied it to torque spec, and that's it. There it is, guys. It's ready to be installed. Stupid. So let's put it all back together. If you ever installed it backwards like I did, I've been able to reverse it, the trailing arm, in place. I had to remove the trailing arm from the tow arm for access purpose, but after that I easily reverse it. Okay, so this is the first lap day since I installed the PCI Spherical trailing arm bushing, the on roll center adjuster kit. Also in the last video I installed the PCI front lower controller arm and the block subframe hard color kit. Go check out this video if you didn't see it. By the way, this camera angles suck. Don't worry, I will change it next track video. So after all these install, I got the car aligned, corner weight and the camber adjusted. The car just felt amazing, so stable in high-speed corner. I just had great confidence in the car and wasn't scared to throw it hard in the corner. At my second session, I managed to beat my last year personal best of 145 with a 143.92 with plenty still on the table. I know that I will be able to easily hit 142, but this summer my goal will be 141. I will be very happy with that. So this is my fastest lap with all the new mods. Enjoy.